This is,
yeah.
I'm not gonna count this as your second tip, but clean the lens.
Hello everyone, welcome to my first annual three-way Target vlog. And of course we have the queen herself, Alicia Marie, wearing the Vlogmas 2020 exclusive.
To shopaliciamarie.com.
Shop Alicia Marie. But like, I'm sorry, this is so cute. I would wear this right now.
Honestly, I wish I had more, but you're on the PR list, don't worry.
Oh, thank God, thank God. The perks of being an influencer now. All right, it is going to be my first Vlogmas, and you know, I had to go to the queen of Vlogmas to get some tips, which is why we're going to Target today to kind of, you know, investigate. We're gonna research, she's gonna show me the best tips and techniques, but I want Alicia Marie herself to tell you guys her top 3 Vlogmas trips. Tips.
I'm like November 22nd, 2017.
So if any of you are aspiring YouTubers,
Oh my God.
this
Well, I
will
just
really
gave you
help
some
you.
tips, and you were like, "Well, we need to
Yeah.
document this. Should we get comfortable?"
Let's get comfortable.
Oh wait, I got it.
Okay. Oh, she is setting up shop, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, tip number 1. A wide angle is always great to establish your shot.
Oh my God.
It makes people feel like they're in the room with you. Also, this is,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna count this as your second tip, but clean the lens.
I'm sorry. I feel real.
Iro, come in.
Hot. Oh, not the
Hey,
mouth.
come in.
Ma'am, gotta buy me dinner first.
Next tip is try your hardest to get the title and thumbnail earlier on in the day, because at least for me, I feel like if it's 4 o'clock and I don't know what my vlog for that day is that's going up the next morning, I freak out and I get overwhelmed, and then I'm just like, this is shit, this is horrible, and then I want to give up. But if I have like a rough idea, like, oh, I wanted to wrap presents today, oh wait, like don't forget to pose for a thumbnail. If you're in good lighting, just like take a few thumbnail options, even if you have no idea what it's gonna be for, because there's a few times
like
like
inspire the video.
yeah, like at least knowing you're like, oh, I have like an option that can be a split screen. Like whenever I'm getting ready in the morning, or if I'm like, oh, I look cute today, then I'll just I'll like pose and do a few different like expressions.
Yeah.
And then depending what that vlog ends up being, I'll like make it only if it makes sense.
Right.
But it's just nice being like, oh, I have a solid option.
Right.
Or even if you're just doing anything that like has a potential to be like the story of the whole vlog, or the like title or thumbnail, pose. So even if like you aren't planning on doing a haul, but like you happen to like show an Amazon package, like at least get like an establishing shot or like pose with it. Because that's the worst thing ever, especially during Vlogmas, is when you don't know what your video is and you sit there for an hour at least. There's been so many times I'll sit there for an hour trying to think of a title and a screenshot that's good lighting, because it can actually like drastically affect your views if it's just like a decent, well thought out.
Yeah, exactly.
So like it doesn't have like you don't have to fake everything, but I think like just being prepared of like, oh, I would like to like build some gingerbread houses. Pose when you're building the gingerbread houses.
Yeah.
And just don't make eye contact with people in public. Like there's been so many times I'm by myself at the grocery store and I'm like I'm so nervous, and I'm like, everyone's like,
I get
me.
so nervous.
Just don't make eye contact with anyone, and then be like,
I just pretend I'm you.
love that. Love, there
like,
you go.
I literally, I'm like, Alicia would.
Alicia Marie would.
Yeah.
No, I still get nervous, but I think what helps me is I'm like, you just don't know.
Yeah.
And also, I've actually, in like the years of doing this, I've never had anyone actually be like,
be rude, yeah.
No, I've never even been kicked out of a store.
Same.
Yeah, I've never been kicked out of anything. So.
Never. Alicia Marie would never.
I have more, but
no, that was good.
I'll share
That
them
was
with
good. All right, so we're going to head over and we're going to go to Remy's, pick her up, and have a Target extravaganza. See you guys soon.
I'm Remy.
We found Cal.
Target. Welcome everyone to the vlog.
Everyone wants their vlog cameras.
It's not even Vlogmas.
Oh, is that new Vlogmas merch?
Yeah,
oh.
She showed
I just saw these were like coming around the corner. I was like, oh, there they are.
Hello, Cal.
What's up?
Cal, welcome to Target Adventures, presented by pretty basic, and Ollie.
Wow.
And Ollie.
This is a sponsorship.
You haven't been to Target until now.
Oh.
Ooh, what is it?
Yogurt bars?
A yogurt
Peppermint
bar.
bar.
Ooh, not a fan.
You know the peppermint bar?
No, but half baked chunks.
Mini corn dog. We only do full size here.
Comment to the frozen aisle because the light is
Oh, okay.
pristine, but the audio is not the best because it like comes.
Yeah.
But great for thumbnails.
Period.
Man.
I'm very tempted because I definitely need help. Should I decorate a gingerbread house?
Hi guys, I feel like I didn't even get you saying hi.
Hello.
Hello.
The Christmas section is lit. I definitely need to do a lot of research for Vlogmas. That's what today is. What is this mess?
Hawaii. Surprise! You want a trip to Hawaii?
Oh no. What is this?
Why do I want this?
What is that?
It's a light.
Bust
They're
it
so
down.
terrifying.
Bust it down. Bust it down. I love this for us. Oh no, I look scary. The stores, honey, the stores.
Pretty.
All these stars,
This one's
but
kinda
these
cute,
two
too.
are my favorites.
Oh my god.
And a sky
very
full of
good.
stars.
Did
you
you
decide
decide
it?
it? Actually, I think we have this one. We either have this one or this one, but we have one of these for sure.
Remy,
Yeah.
do we like my Christmas tree?
That's sad. Maybe you'll be able to keep this one alive.
Oh.
This is how a real YouTuber gets a thumbnail.
Hopefully there's something. Vlogmas Queen did a Vlogmas fail. Good thing this is why we're doing this before Vlogmas comes, you know? A little warm up, a little practice.
A little practice.
I'm like sweating so bad, so I'm nervous.
This is how you get a Vlogmas thumbnail. Oh! Wait,
Black
what
Widow.
did you say? What is that?
It's the perfect holiday ornament. Look at that. It's very festive.
Who is she?
Who is she? Very tempted to get this because reasons.
I'm just kidding.
Got this, brother. All of Remy's goodies.
Oh, my jacket.
Oh.
Physics. Really working out the finest.
How are you doing today, Cal?
Doing great, you know?
Just hanging out.
Yeah, just another day of 3 cameras on me. Same old, same old. No big deal.
What do you mean?
That is.
Whoa.
They're a little, I wish they had bigger ones.
Oh my god. The softest pillows I've ever touched. We made it to the home decor section and I'm very tempted, but I'm gonna hold myself back for actual Vlogmas, for the content baby content. Remy,
Yeah.
I got you a mug.
I'm sorry, I'm Robert Pattinson. I thought you loved Robert Pattinson.
He's dead.
Would you rather be
Oh my god.
We're witnessing a fight.
The
As you
girls
can
are
see-
fighting.
As you can see, it's about Harry Potter. I'm
I'm
proud
scared.
of her for watching all of them.
So, I didn't get anything, so I think I win.
Hell yeah. Oh no! Not the water!
Why is there always accidents on my vlog? Hello everyone, sorry for the random Target clips, but it was a fun night. Did I get anything? No. Did Did I go for the content, baby, content?
Why are you apologizing for the best gift you could ever give them?
What did I give them, Alicia Marie? Target content.
Target content. Target. Wait, target content. Target.
Content, target.
Why did I struggle so much with that?
Thank you so much. Sure to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and shop Alicia Marie. Her.